Hey everybody, this is Eric for Planting Seeds for Life, and I just wanted to share some things with you. Look at that, man. That is snow. Like we haven't seen enough of that this winter. Anyway, but I wanted to share some other things with you. Not only do we got snow, but we got stuff popping up through the snow. We got daffodils, we got tulips, we got garlic, and we have chives. And so I'm super excited because spring is here. It's like 6 days away. Today is the 14th of March. I'll probably have this video up tonight, and in the next, week, spring will be here. So I just wanted to share that bit of exciting news with you guys. Do you guys have anything that you'd like to share back? Is your garlic coming up? Is your chives coming up? Or your tulips or anything like that? What do you have coming up through the snow? Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless. And see you next time.